1, Reefscape.
All right, we're starting off match 27 with both alliances having robots moving in auto and scoring on the reef. Maverick Robotics going back and scoring a second one on L4 with their teammates having gotten the drive point. We have ended our autonomous period with blue at 23 and red at 20. So let's see how the teams do in the teleoperated period. Maverick starts off by scoring another coral on L4 with their teammates 39-36 doing the exact same, with 15-29 going over and grabbing a coral of their own. So it seems like all three robots are planning to cycle coral, but Maverick's score is in the net, so that means that they are also planning to score algae. So this is going to be a little bit of both game pieces. Over on the Blue Alliance, we have team 1646 lining up to score with their teammate 7617 doing the same on L4, and they do end up making it. Teammate 10434 going over to the coral station and grabbing a coral so that they can slide it in sideways onto L1. L1 is that trough on the bottom of the reef. Now you'll notice that there is a coral sitting sideways in the trough of the reef, but that is still counted as scored as long as it is touching that surface on the bottom L1 part of the reef. 1646 temporarily beached on an algae, but they do get assistance from their teammate 7617, and the show does go on. We have 1 minute and 12 seconds left in our match with red at 81 and blue at 46. Let's look over at the Red Alliance, where Mavericks are scoring another algae into the net with their elevator, while their teammate 3936 goes up and aims to score on L4. 1529 scoring on L2. It seems that that team is going for that rank point with 5 coral on each level of the reef. That is what their goal is going to be. So once they fill up that L1, they are likely going to start scoring on the other branches to make sure that they can evenly disperse those corals and get that rank point. We have 30 seconds left in the match with red at 112, already breaking 100, and blue at 62, working to get those algae and those coral scored as fast as they can. 7617 going to score an algae on L3. Blue's human player goes and shoots an algae into the net. Now we have that sonar ping going off, which means we are going to have teams start climbing. Mavericks and 1529 going over to line up to climb. 7617 doing the exact same thing on the blue side. Mavericks are off of the ground. All teammates coming over to the barge zone at 3, 2, 1, and that's match 27. $86 points. So we're going to have our teams 50-29 and 39-36 moving up in rank. Mavericks holding steady at that third ranking position with 4 rank points. Blue putting up a really good fight with more barge points than red, but it is the coral and algae that ended up winning the match. Congratulations to the Red Alliance.